All right, so I have a large heavy duty pot of plants, all right? And I need to adjust, but this actually works for pretty much anything, not just plants, all right? So it's a caddy, adjustable plant caddy. It comes with instructions. Other tools necessary are included in here to tie it up, everything. So we're gonna set this up, and this is the centerpiece, right? And this is a rail system, so that means you could change the size of this thing to even larger. All right, they sell different sizes. There's two different types of sizes actually, so make sure you have the proper size measure before you start purchasing stuff like this. So we're gonna start with the actual wheels. The wheels are simple. They lock in place here, and that's pretty much it. And then you just lock it in with your actual butterfly nut, if you guys can see that. And let's go ahead and set this up. All right, so I got them adjusted already, so I'm just going to show you that you go adjust it, all right, and tighten it up as much as you can. Now every single corner is going to have a brake system, all right, so you don't have to worry about if you don't have access to the other brakes. You're going to have access to all these. So this is perfect if you want to mobilize something that's heavy, not just plants, but pretty much anything. And it's adjustable. It goes 360 any rotations that you want. All right, so I added this with help. All right, this is about over 200 pounds, all right, of dirt, and it's a planter, but it is really heavy to actually move without the wheels. So when I want to sweep, I'm able to easily move that out of the way. There will be no way of me moving it by myself. Look at that. There will be no way. Oh, it has a brake, so we're gonna unbrake it. Now we're able to move it. Look at that. Easily move it. Put it in place. I don't have to worry about it. I just gotta clean up the debris. But if you guys are looking for sturdy, lock it in place if you want. So we'll move. Stays fixed. This is about, like I said, very heavy duty. This is gonna help me out. So I'm gonna get another one for the second one, and we're gonna lift ourselves. Two people help me out with this, able to put it in here. So hope you guys enjoy this video.